right, so we're going to be focusing mainly on this vent right here. And we're going to be replacing that vent with this guy right here. This is the 3D printed Cobb Access Point mount. I'm going to go ahead and use my pry tool. Kind of get back there. There we go. Just like that, we have no vent. We're venting. Dad joke. We'll go ahead and get our... Oh, wrong way, dummy. There we go. That cable plugged in, baby. Okay, so we finally got our cable through. We just went ahead and fished it. See if I can get a good angle of what's going on. Just kind of fished it on through here. And we're going to continue to run this, hopefully, through here. Okay, new plan. Since we're not able to get through without drilling, which is kind of what I want to avoid right now. I'll do it if I have to, but I'm thinking, maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. We're just gonna fish it on through here, and we're gonna come out by the steering wheel and those little gaps there. And since it's sitting right there, and you just kind of keep it off, I should be good. Finally got this out here. We're gonna kind of clean this up. I'm thinking probably bunch this up in the back here by the fuses and zip tie it, make it look pretty, and get everything else hooked up. So I think that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'll try tie this off here. That's inside. And I'm not using anything crazy here, guys. Literally just like a grocery tie. That's all right. Well, it ain't pretty by any means, but it is tied and it is stuffed away. Whatever. There we go. All right, so I think it's just time to send it, and we are just going to install the stage 1 tune. I told myself I wasn't gonna do it. I said I'm just gonna monitor, but after a phone call with Cobb, it is only possible to monitor once you install the tune. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. 93, there it is, that's the one. We'll let it just do its thing, and we'll come back. All right, looks like we're just starting to finish up. It's been, man, at least 25 minutes, almost 30 minutes. No battery charger either, so hopefully everything goes good. All right, cool beans. Turn ignition off. Wait at least 15 seconds before starting the vehicle. And I'm just gonna keep it as is. We're gonna let the car warm up. And we're gonna set this puppy up for a nice test drive.